All right, so what's going on, guys? So what we have is I have two of these, and I just realized that I have the iCopy um, tool to help me copy the battery data. And what we have is an iPhone XR, and this iPhone XR, the customer need a battery replacement, and I have this tool, and I've never used it before, so I figured I'll just go ahead and just see if I can get this tool to copy the battery data. So first thing is first, gonna try to get, yep, we can get this out of the way. Okay. First thing is first, let's open up this phone and let's see if we can get this, see if we can get this battery data transferred to the new battery. I think I might be forgetting some things here when it comes down to transferring the battery data. I just don't realize it yet, or I have, but I'm not 100% sure if I am missing some stuff. And we have our pry tool in there. Let's get a second one and some alcohol. Which all the alcohol bottles that I have, I've moved them around so much that I have like none in here right now. Or I'm lying. Or I'm lying. I think I have brand new bottles, but I thought that I wouldn't need them. Nope, I don't have any new bottles in here. So let's go ahead and let's get some Q-tip and let's get some alcohol on them and see if we can get it to seep through and get this thing opened up. Like that. And just, this is a repair that you want to try not to break the screen on. I mean, the screens are not super expensive on this device either, but if you can avoid it, why not? Ouch. So like that. Yeah, these screens are a lot thicker than like the newer model phones. Where like doing this, you'd probably crack the LCD. These are a little bit thicker LCDs. They can take a little bit more. Okay, and let's just disconnect the battery. I'm not sure if I'm gonna need it completely out the phone, but I'm just gonna try it the way it is and see if I can read the battery data. Not sure which way the battery connects to this thing at all. Let's go. Let's just go ahead and let's pull the battery. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull it out because regardless, we're gonna have to remove the battery, so might as well do it now. It's already falling apart. The tape that they have underneath these, it's, I don't know. Like the Apple could have done a better job on this tape. But I don't know much about manufacturing. I barely know enough about repairs to talk about manufacturing. Now you can remove these batteries and use a core, and yeah, we're just gonna yank this battery out. And I'm not using the sharp end of my tool, and I'm making sure that there's nothing that I could damage as I'm lifting this battery out. So I'm trying to be aware of all of these on the side here as I'm kind of prying up this battery. Get a metal pry tool here. I'd love to do this with alcohol, but like I said, I don't have any here. Well, I have it, but it's just in a big jug. Let's see. Maybe we'll pour some in the cap, in the top, and then we'll use that to kind of pour inside here to help get this battery out. Just like that. And then it comes out nice and easy, just like that. And then we'll just let it sit and evaporate. Okay, we got this battery out. Now, I don't know how this connects up to, I don't know how it connects up, but we'll find out here. If it's like this, or like this. So it doesn't seem like it's like that. And I don't see an XR on here. I see SE, I see iPhone X, but I'm not sure. Okay, so let's read. Maybe we want to change the language also. I don't remember how to do that. Okay, let's disconnect this and let's see if we can change the language here. So that just turns it off. Okay. So I think we just changed it. So now let's try to read. Okay, so we read the data from this battery, and let's get our new battery and let's write the data and see what happens. Which, what that will help me do is, in the future, I don't have to worry about the actual, when we put it in the phone, it won't say that it's not the original battery. So here we are, we got an amp-centric battery. I'm gonna plug it in now. Okay, and we're gonna write. Okay, so we reset the cycle count. And if we long press this, what does this do? Okay, so it says iPhone XR and all that stuff. Now let's put it in and just test it. See if we get the battery. Oh, I don't even have the customer's password or passcode or PIN code or whatever. I don't have that information. So I can't even show you guys that because I don't have that. Yeah, I don't have that to show you guys. But I think this is working. I think it's working. I'm hoping that it is working. I wanted to show you guys how it works, but I unfortunately I didn't get the customer's pass username or sorry, the code to get back into their phone. I should have gotten it. I just didn't think about it at the time. But it's okay. So let's just continue. If you notice, I didn't remove the old tape that was there. It is not necessary to remove that tape. You can remove it if you'd like to. Uh, to me, it's all the same. It's just gonna hold. It's actually leaving that in there gives it a better hold on the battery because you're just having two double side tape just holding each other in there, and it's one is already on the frame from the original battery, and this one is the new one, which I find like I've replaced the batteries before and I've changed out the double side tape, and then the battery doesn't hold as good. But it's all up to you when you're doing this repair how you like to do it. Okay, nobody's gonna sit around and critique your work. If they do, then they're perfectionists, and that's great for them. At least that's how I feel. As long as it's done safely, that's really what I care about is safety. So I'm gonna check this later on, and maybe this will be my first picture upload of like what happens once I've reset the cycle and everything like that. Then we can see what happens. Let me try to turn this back on. Because even the battery was acting like it didn't want to sit in place, but we're just going to test it and see what happens, right? Once we get it to the customer. So that was a very short video, guys, on just using the iCopy tool to copy the battery data from my iPhone XR and put it on a new one and reset the cycle. So we should be able to see. Actually, maybe I won't be able to read anything from it until I get it to the customer. But either way, guys, thank you for watching. I'll keep on uploading these short videos. If you guys like these short videos, and these are just raw, straight videos, these are not something that's edited. So, you know, anything you see in them is what you get. Just let me know, guys. Thanks for watching.